you will have to disable your antivirus. If you don't trust it, then just run in a VM. Also, this is for educational stuff only. Don't abuse it. I take absolutely no responsibility. You're also gonna have to turn off your firewall. Just type in firewall. Go to Windows Firewall. Turn this off. Reason why you have to turn this off is because clients connect to you. Alright, have to turn it off. Exit out. Go to Google. And then open up CMD. Type in ipconfig. And I spelled config wrong. ipconfig. Then go to default gateway. Type that in. It should pull up a username and a password. The username is usually admin and the password is usually password. If this is not it, then look up your brand on the internet or look behind the router and it should have it. Now go to advanced. Well, this is on a Netgear router. It's different on every other router, so if you do not know how to port forward on your brand, look up on how to port forward on, you know, your brand. Okay, let me disable, delete that one, add custom. Now let me name this Bob, why not? Put 1.6.04. 1.6.04. Then select your device, apply, and then go to noip.com, which if you actually are ratting people, this is ran by Microsoft. I would suggest DuckDNS. You can look that up. But like I said, this is for really educational stuff only, so I don't know why you would need to use DuckDNS or anything else. So yeah. But anyway, go to Manage DNS and go to Add a Host. Type in something random. Go to noip.biz. You must select that one. Then add it. Now copy it, go to DarkComet, run it. Now, wait, what? Okay, I must already test it on myself, but anyway, yeah, you want to go to listen, then whatever port you had, just click listen. I go to full edit, go to network settings, right, type that in, then you can click add, click on it. This is where the settings, I will tell you what the settings are. This is where it basically will start every time the computer will start. So sometimes this will glitch out if you crypt it, so watch out for that. See like system32, app data, temp, just stuff where you can install it. Persistence installation, this is the registry key, will always come back. This though does go through even after you crypt it. I've tested it. So yeah. Now this does not really work that much, persistence process. It really works on .bat for some reason. I don't know why. Disable task manager, sometimes that doesn't go. I don't know, sometimes a lot of the stuff is glitchy. Anyway, build the stub. I'm gonna just name it something completely random. Open it. As you can see, here I am. Okay, and I'm gonna show you some of the options you can do. The rest you can just go through yourself. Okay, here's one of them, the spy and the passwords and data. You can just go through the tone downloads. I don't know why you would need to go through that. And here's the passwords, alright? Which I have none. I always delete my history, alright? So exit up. Here's the webcam capture, which the light will come on. Refresh, start capture. I don't even have a webcam. Send capture. Basically here you can speak to him, like hello. You can speak to him, like hello. Capture their voice as well. See, as you can. I don't know if you can hear the echo or not, but yeah. And then here's the remote desktop. I think I should just do default display. Okay, as you can see, here it is. Oh, got him. Alright, and try opening random. Okay, well, I opened up random stuff. It's really glitchy on my own desktop, so yeah. Okay, then go to keylog. And here's where it's gonna have some keylogs. It won't have a lot. Hopefully it doesn't actually contain anything I need. Meh, yeah, it doesn't. Okay, but yeah, that's what you would have. This is the keylogs, what keylogs people's keys. It's kind of like a spy thing. And this is the fun, where you can have a remote chat. You can send it right here. Send. Nut. Basically just freaks the guy out. Lets it out. Microsoft, sometime this doesn't always go through. I don't know why. Like hello. Yeah, it doesn't always go through. It's basically supposed to be kind of like an ominous voice, like a robot voice sending them a message. I don't know why. It sometimes doesn't go through. And here's the piano. Send. It's really annoying and fun. Right. So yeah. And disable that. Let me show it. So okay. And I disabled task manager, so I won't be, okay, well, I guess, never mind. I don't think that works, though. Anyway, yeah, that's basically it for the DarkComet. I mean, there's some system info and stuff, computer info like this right here. Refresh. Yeah. So yeah, this is basically it. Not really much. But, that's the DarkComet. I mean, why? I mean, there is a lot. So yeah, I mean, if you're new to adding, that's basically it. You didn't have to watch this part. Oh, also, on Connect, you can do command, like visit URL, open ping. But here's the, like, you can use your slaves as botnets. So SYN is for usually websites. HTTP, well, that's for websites all the way. And UDP is for, like, home connection. So yeah, if I did configure into a task, you can just, this would be like the IP, as you can see. 1. Then this, you put that, and that's the port number right there. Click OK. How many times? Click OK, and that's how long you would be doing it for. So right now I'm DDoSing my own internet. So yeah. Anyway, yeah, that's basically how you use DarkComet Rat. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you in my next video.